Hello and welcome. I am Kaushik Chakravarti and I'm an affiliate marketer from India and your host for this video. This video is about the basics of affiliate marketing, and it is basically for the people who are interested in affiliate marketing or are wanting to start off in affiliate marketing. So without much ado, let's begin with the slides. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101. So, who is an affiliate? An affiliate is a person or organization who has the affiliation from the product creator to sell the service or the product to his or her customers. Who can become an affiliate marketer? I'll come to that. But before that, we need to know why is now the affiliate industry such a booming marketplace. So during the last decade, we have been noticing that many industries and manufacturers are moving online. So definitely there is a reason why they are all shifting online. So online offers the incredible scalability. Then it also provides limitless freedom, and the costs of the overhead are low, and the margins of doing business or having the profit is high, and the access to the market is worldwide. So with all these benefits, why should a product manufacturer stay offline? Now when we are talking of moving over to online, the last 6 or 7 months has just added fuel to the fire. So with businesses closing down and shutting during this pandemic, it is not a viable option to stay offline. So many small businesses have also started rapidly moving over to the online industry. So here comes the effect of an affiliate. So what does an affiliate marketer need? An affiliate marketer needs a product. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, as an affiliate, you will need a product, and then you will need a customer to whom you are going to sell the product. Your relation to the product and the customer is that you are bridging the gap between the two. In the process, you are earning commissions. The commissions that are coming to you are from the product creator. So what are the qualifications that you need to be an affiliate marketer? You must have a college degree, you must be skilled in software, you must know coding, you must have a lot of money to invest? No, not at all. The only things that you need are, you must have the will to learn and implement, you must have the patience to see your efforts bear fruit, you must not give in to procrastination, and you will need a PC or a laptop and an internet connection. That's it. What are the other benefits that you are getting as an affiliate marketer? So here you are your own boss. You fix the timings, you select the products, and you market it to your customers. You do not need to make your products because the products are already being made by someone. And you also do not need to provide support for the products because the product creator is going to provide the support. The only thing is that you, after marketing the product, are only going to earn high commissions. And the best part of it all is that you can optimize and scale your business, and there is no boundary for this marketing. This type of marketing can be done worldwide. Now the question is, since you are an affiliate marketer, what are you going to sell? There are millions of products and they belong to many categories. These product categories are known as a niche, and I am sure you have heard of this word, or those who have not heard it. So basically it is the product category in which you are going to market. For a newbie, it is always good to start by selecting a particular niche. Now how will you select your niche? You need to look into the areas that interest you, areas or the products that you have the passion for. It will be easier to market a product in which you have your own likeliness. Some of the most popular as well as beneficial niches are fitness and weight loss niche, the health niche, the dating and relations, pets, self-improvement, financial investment, making money online, makeup and beauty treatments, gadgets and technology, etc. And there are hundreds and thousands of other niches, as well as there are sub niches on these things. For example, you have the niche of pets, but you can go into the sub niches like marketing specifically for dogs, marketing specifically for cats. Maybe it is about health. Now you are dealing with only modern medicine, or maybe you are dealing on the specific niche of Ayurveda. Now, where will you get these products from? There are marketplaces. Since as an affiliate, it is not possible to know who is creating a product and who is launching a product. Therefore, there are marketplaces associated with these launches, and the products are posted over there. You can get them from, say, Amazon, Rakuten, Commission Junction, Awin, Impact, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, and many more other marketplaces are there. You need to enroll yourself over there, and then from there on you can request the seller to give you the permission or the affiliation to sell their product. So now you have a product. To whom will you be selling it to? To sell, you need traffic, and from that traffic you will be generating leads, and those leads will turn into potential customers when you interact with them, and these potential customers will then become your buyers. Now this traffic is the main question that we all affiliates have, or any marketer has, because when we are selling a product in the offline market also, there is no business who doesn't want traffic, who doesn't want leads, who doesn't want buyers. The same is for the online industry also. So we need traffic, and this traffic can be segregated in two parts. One is the organic traffic and the other is the paid traffic. So what is organic traffic? Traffic that is coming to you because of your efforts to acquire it. Okay, so here you can rank your website, or you can rank your channel, maybe YouTube channel, or maybe your website, through SEO, search engine optimization, or you may promote your product on social media, on the page that you have, your fan following, where you can talk about your product and let others know what you are selling, how it is going to benefit them. And then there is the other form of traffic, that is the paid traffic, where you put on advertisements for other people to watch, and they in turn, if interested, contact you, and then you are able to educate them about the product and finally sell it to them. So there are quite a number of forms of paid traffic. So it could be like paid ads for search engines, like you already know about Google AdSense, AdWords, Bing advertisements. Then there are paid ads on social media like Facebook advertisements, Instagram advertisements, Pinterest advertisements. Then there are solo ads. Solo ads are the ads where you pay in the money to a certain person, and he or she on behalf of you sends your ad to their own customers. So they have a buyer list of their own, they put out your ad to them, and from there you get customers who in turn become your customers also. And then there are media ads which are put up as push notifications or banner ads by publishers. So you can also purchase them and let know people of your product that you are selling. So to do all this, there are a few basic requirements. So one is you need a hosting plan. Second, you need a domain. And third, you need an email autoresponder. So the hosting is for your website, which you are going to host as a authority for the product you are selling, and also as an authority that you are a legitimate person who is doing the business. The next is the domain or the website that you are hosting on it, so which is basically becoming your identity. And third is the email autoresponder, through which you are going to have the communication with your potential customers whom you are going to make aware of your product, whom you are going to educate about your product and their benefits. I hope that I have been able to communicate the concept of affiliate marketing. Below this video, I have posted the link to my Facebook group. You can join in there and ask your questions, as well as you can share your learnings with us. And also I have put the link for my website, and I hope you visit it and let me know your feedback. Hope you like the video, and I'll be back soon with reviews of products which can enhance your business and help you earn more money. Thank you.